So I had a guy ask me pretty recently, hey man, how do I be like you? How do I be a femboy like you? Teach me how to become a femboy. To be honest, dude, to be completely honest, I don't know. I really can't help you. I really cannot help you. Yeah, I'm sorry. Like, I don't know why I'm sorry. It's just not something I have. I didn't start the whole femboy meme, okay? People just call me that on here, and that's just what I go with. People call me that shit all over the internet. And I just go with it, because who cares? That's what they say I am, so who cares? What am I going to do? Get them to stop saying it? Hey guys, stop calling me this. That's just going to make them double down on it even more. But if you want to look like me and become very attractive like me, well, I'm flattered. I really am. But I'm just me. I'm just me, and that's the thing. I'm just so unique and so one of a kind. I'm sorry, but not really. I'm not going to apologize for being me. You should have never apologized for being you. So yeah, I don't have advice on how to be a femboy, so sorry, but that is the takeaway from this video. Do not apologize for being you. You should be you. And that you should be whatever it is. Unless you're a fucking sick weirdo. So don't be a sick weirdo. Just be you. Just be you. And be the best and happiest version of you. And if someone has anything to say about it, well, who cares? Let's be honest. Who cares? So yeah. I hope this video helped some. Even though it clearly didn't. Because he was asking me. He asked me this weeks ago. So I'm sorry. Bye-bye.